My name is Jennings. I'm a volunteer with EdConnect and I've been doing that since 2003. I'm at the Vasse Primary School in Busselton. Really, I started mentoring here by chance. I saw an advertisement in the local newspaper, so I've kind of grown into it in the last 20 years. I do all sorts of things, and that's the way I engage with the children. It might start with just playing some games or going out and chucking a frisbee. One of the big things I do with them is I work on aeroplane and ship models. They have to concentrate. They've got to read the instructions. So it's kind of learning by default. They probably don't know that they're learning. And then they've got to be patient. Each week we do a bit more.
Malcolm is kind, caring. He's just an amazing human, very engaging. He is here for the kids. He never wants any credit or praise. He's just solely here to give back and make a positive difference to the children here at Vasse Primary School, and he does an amazing job.
You know, just simply by meeting with him every week, their confidence, their self-esteem seems to be building, which is fantastic. For those kids, you know, that don't maybe have that reliable person consistently in their life, they then get that person who turns up every single week. They get an extra person that makes them feel special, and you know, they can rely upon them to be there.
One student that I had her for about 3 years, I think. She was quite a delight, but obviously she'd come into the mentoring program for one reason or another. But I just felt that she grew over the time. And you know, the whole school is supporting that child. At the end of the school year last year, when they did the school presentations and graduation, I think they call it, this girl came back and gave a talk to the school. And she spoke with such confidence. We had a little chat, and I was just amazed how much she'd grown and how confident she was. I think she'd been in high school probably a couple of years, but just to see her progress and development, you know, I really cracked up. Anyway, that's the sort of feedback that you get from kids. And she just, you know, she just said how much she enjoyed the time that she spent with me. And, you know, you're just one of the whole lot of people that are supporting a child like that. But it's nice to see when they blossom, isn't it?